Welcome to First English. Today's lesson we are going to study how to make tag questions. So, what is a tag question? A tag question is a kind of a short question after a statement or a sentence. A question that the speaker asks to confirm the information or to show the agreement to the information. How to make tag questions? So in here we have two forms, okay, to make the tag questions. So the first form is, if the main verb in a sentence is positive, tag question is negative, okay. So read the example here. You drink a good wine. So you drink a good wine is, the statement is positive, so tag question is negative, okay. So don't you? And form number 2, if the main verb in a sentence is negative, tag question is positive. So read the example here. She doesn't like coffee. So she doesn't like coffee is a statement in negative. So tag question is positive. Does she? Okay. Remember, make tag question with a sentence has no auxiliary verbs. So we have 5 sentences here with no auxiliary verbs. Okay, so first example. You worked in a bank, don't you? So look at the verb here. The main verb is work. Okay, that is in the present simple. Okay, so the tag question must form in present simple. Okay, but because of the first question, the first sentence is in positive, that's why tag question must be negative. Okay, you work in a bank, don't you? Okay, so move to sentence number 2. She likes to listen to romantic music. Okay, so that is the main verb is likes. Okay, and it is in present simple. Okay, so the form tag question, that is in present simple tag question, but because of the sentence is in positive, that's why the tag question must be in negative. Number 3, he cooked his dinner well, didn't he? He cooked his dinner well, didn't he? Okay, so the main verb in this sentence is cooked. Okay, cooked, and tag question is didn't he? Because of the sentence it is in the past tense, so we use helping verb didn't to make tag question. Sentence number 4. They didn't come to party last night, did they? Okay, so that is a sentence that is in negative sentence, and also it is in the past simple form. Okay, so tag question must be in positive in past tense. Okay. 5. We don't speak English, do we? Okay, so the statement it is in negative, but it is in present simple. Okay, so the tag question must be in present simple, and it is must be in positive. Okay, do we? Another point. Okay, make tag question with a sentence has auxiliary verbs. Okay, so here we have 5 more sentences, but each sentence has auxiliary verbs. Okay, so talk about the sentence number 1. You can swim in a river, can you? Alright, so in here is the modal verb is can. Okay, and swim is the main verb in the sentence, but anyways we are talking about the auxiliary verb can. Okay, so can swim, that it is in the sentence with the positive sentence. Okay, so tag question must be in negative sentence. Okay, can we, and then we use auxiliary verb to form tag questions. Move to sentence number 2. She should listen to you, shouldn't she? Okay, so the auxiliary verb is should. Okay, and the main verb is listen. Okay, So to form take question, we use shouldn't because the sentence it is in positive sentence. Sentence number 3. He won't visit Angkor next month. Will he? Okay. So won't visit. That is in the auxiliary verb is will. Okay. And it is in the negative form. Okay. So take question must be in positive, and we use auxiliary verb to make take question. Will he? Okay. Sentence number 4. They couldn't go out, could they? Okay. So auxiliary verb is couldn't. Okay. And the sentence in negative sentence. Okay. So take question must be in positive, and we use could as auxiliary verb to form take question. Sentence number 5. You can speak English, can we? Okay. So auxiliary verb is can't in negative. Take question must be in positive. Can we? Make take question with a sentence has verb to be. Okay, so that is a very good point that everyone have to take into your account. That you not be confused anymore. Okay, so sentence 1. We are in the library now, and you are in the library now, and you. Okay, so the sentence number 1, verb to be is are. Okay, are, and the sentence is in positive sentence. So take question must be in negative sentence, and we form take question with verb to be. Okay. Sentence number 2. She isn't a teacher, is she? Okay. So sentence number 2, verb to be is isn't. Okay, and the form in negative. So take question must be in positive, and we use is to form take question. Number 3. He was a policeman in 1999, wasn't he? Okay, so sentence number 3 here, the verb to be is was, and it is in a positive sentence. Okay, so take question must be in negative sentence, and we use was to form take questions. Okay, number 4. She was given a ring, wasn't she? Okay, so we see here verb to be in this sentence is was. Okay, was, and it is in positive sentence, so take question must be in negative sentence. Wasn't she? Okay. 5. You aren't promoted a manager, aren't you? Okay. So verb to be is are not. That are, yes, but it is in a negative sentence. So take question must be in positive sentence, and we use verb to be are to form take question. Last one, number 6. It is like a dog, isn't it? Okay. So verb to be is. Okay. Like is like preposition to talk about something is similarity. Okay. So it is like a dog, that is in positive sentence. So take question must be in negative sentence, and we use verb to be is to form take question. Okay, so here with the special note, okay, how to make these sentences into take questions. So look at here. You have been to Siem Reap. Okay, so what your take question should be? You have been to Siem Reap. So take question is, haven't you? Okay, so we form take question with haven't you, because of the sentence it is in positive sentence, and the form in present perfect. Okay, so when it is in present perfect, so we use auxiliary verb have to form take question, and it is in positive. That's why take question must be in negative. Sentence number 2. She hasn't flown to Canada. She hasn't flown to Canada. So what a take question would be? Yes, Has she? Has she? Okay. So the sentence is in present perfect in negative sentence. Okay. So the text question must be in positive, and we use helping verb has to form the question text. Number 3, you have a nice car. You have a nice car. So what the text question should be? Alright, so we use don't you? You have a nice car, don't you? So the sentence number 3 here, it is not in present perfect, but have to express about position, and to form the question we use do to form the question. Okay, that's why we use don't you, because this sentence it is in present simple. Number 4, she always has dinner at 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, so what the text question should be in this one? Correct, doesn't she? Okay, so we use doesn't she to form a text question, because the sentence in positive sentence. Okay, and has is the main verb in the sentence, and to form question we use do or does, but the subject is she, so we use doesn't she, just because the sentence it is in positive sentence. So take question in negative. Okay, so sentence number 5, I am in China. Okay, I am in China. So what the take question should be in this case? Okay, so that is something is special, because something you can like you just say you break the rule in English. Okay, so that is a special point we have to take into account to remember. Okay, I am in China, aren't I? Okay, so that is take question. Okay, number 6, I had a coffee last night. Yes, I had a coffee last night. Okay, so the main verb in this sentence is had, and it is in past tense. Okay, so to form that question we use denied. Yeah, deny, because that is because it is in the past tense. That's why we use didn't. And because the first sentence is in the positive, that's why that question must be in negative. Number 7, she had studied Thai before she visited there. Okay? She had studied Thai before she visited there. Okay, so look at the sentence here. That is in past tense. Okay, but it is not past tense. It is in past perfect form. Okay, past perfect form. So in past perfect form, take question should be, okay, should be what? It should be hadn't she. Yeah, hadn't she. So in perfect we use helping verb have, has, or had to form take question, because the sentence number 7 it is in past perfect form, so we use hadn't. Okay, hadn't. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay, or hit the bell for our new notification. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.